In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a Notion page as a PDF, which we'll complete in just about 5 minutes. Exporting a Notion page as a PDF is a super handy way to share your content or keep a local copy on your device. This process is straightforward, and I'll guide you through each step. First, you'll want to open up Notion on your computer, which can be done by navigating to the Notion app or simply visiting Notion. So in your web browser, once you're logged in, you'll see your dashboard or workspace with all your pages and sections neatly organized. Now it's time to head over to the specific Notion page you want to export. Browse through your sidebar or use the search function to quickly find and select the page you have in mind. This is the page that you'll be transforming into a PDF. Once you have your page open in front of you, look for the 3 dots icon. You'll find this icon in the upper right corner of your page. It's essentially the gateway to a variety of additional actions you can perform on your page. Give that icon a click, and a drop-down menu will appear, providing you with a suite of options. Your gig here is to click on Export. This option is specifically designed to allow you to save your Notion page in different file formats, which is really the core function we're tapping into today. In the Export interface, you'll see a section labeled Export Format. Click on this drop-down menu and make sure you select PDF. This choice determines the format in which your Notion page will be saved and accessible offline. Next, you'll have an option to decide what content to include in your PDF. This is under the Include Content drop-down. Here, you can choose to include files and images found on your page. If you want a PDF that just consists of text, you can choose not to include these additional items. Moving along, there's a section to choose your page format. This option allows you to adjust the size and presentation style of your PDF to better suit your needs. Additionally, you have the option to tweak the scale %, which adjusts the overall size of the content on the page. Finally, with all your preferences set, you'll hit Export. This step takes the configuration choices you've made and generates your PDF file. Depending on the size of your page, the exporting process may take a few moments. And there you go. You've successfully exported your Notion page as a PDF. Now you can share it, store it, or print it as needed. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.